If you're not already own a Binance account, follow these steps to create a personal account on Binance and verify your identity. Go to Binance and click on Profile icon. Go to Sign Up. Click on Sign Up with phone or email. Fill out all required entry fields, including your email address, password, and referral ID, if applicable. Enter the verification code you have received to complete the verification process. Click on Verify Now. Fill out all required entry fields, such as your personal information and home address. Next, choose any one of the document types for verification, such as a government-issued ID, passport, or driver's license. Take pictures of both sides of your identification document using your mobile phone. Upload your identification document. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Conduct a facial verification by following the instructions provided. Congratulations! Your identity is now verified on Binance. It's time to activate two-factor authentication on Binance for added security. Follow these steps. Click on Profile icon and navigate to Security page. Select Phone number. Toggle on SMS Authenticator. Fill in your phone number and click Confirm. Key in both the verification codes sent to your phone and email. Congratulations! Your two-factor authentication have successfully activated.